Hey, John here. Quickie tip of the day. These chip brushes are not worth a shit for doing chips, but I found something that is. It's parts brush. Couldn't believe how good it works. It's like positive chip removal every time. Bang, bang, bang. Chips are gone. Someplace where there's chips down here, you can see. Just does a much better job than a chip brush. Your regular old parts brush. My crappy chip brush had fallen down on the floor or in the pan or something, and I couldn't reach it, and just happened to be one of these brushes that's sitting by, and I grabbed it and tried it, and yeah, much better for chips. I'm much happier with that. Give it a try.